I've personally spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentorship programs in the last 2 to 3 years. And a lot of people will think, that's way too much money to spend on courses, information, all that other stuff. And so I did it so you don't have to make some of the same expensive mistakes that I made. And again, don't just take my word from it. Take it from Ashley, right? The student in my program, who's also now one of my coaches in the actual program. She spent thousands and thousands of dollars on other TikTok Shop courses and programs before joining mine, after which she immediately went from literally $2,000 a month to over $35,000 in a single month on TikTok Shop, right? I'm not going to make any income claims. And again, chances are that most of you watching won't get there, but she didn't just do it by dumb luck, right? Something about the information that she got from me was different than literally anything else that she's seen before. Most importantly is she applied it immediately, right? And again, the truth is most mentorship programs, whether it's TikTok Shop or just anything in general, or Etsy stores or Amazon FBA, a lot of them are selling you the same recycled information that you can find for free online, just, packaged somewhat differently with a higher price tag, right? So since February of 2024, I personally have never made less than $10,000 per month on TikTok Shop as an affiliate. And I can tell you 90% of what I learned came from ruthless trial and error and not from any courses that I bought, right? So again, there are some mentorship programs that are absolutely worth your money, and I'm not saying that, right? So here's what you need to actually know and look for before you are going to invest in information, right? So in this video, I'm breaking down exactly what to evaluate before buying any sort of TikTok Shop mentorship, red flags that are in general a signal of a waste of money, unfortunately, and specific questions that you should ask before investing in any program, whether it's TikTok Shop or not, right? So transparently, I clearly have packaged my system on TikTok Shop into a mentorship and a course. And if you haven't figured that out already, so naturally I am going to be a bit biased, but again, by the end of this video, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. The very first thing that you need to look for, and when I personally see this, this drives me insane. And I know for a fact so many people see this as well. And if you aren't noticing this, please pay attention to this, right? Again, this is not shots at anybody. I can already see the comments. But anyways, what you want to look for is the actual date, right? The problem is so many people post screenshots. They'll post the last 7 days, XYZ student did this. Okay, but when? Was that 2023? Was that 2024? Right? Last 7 days, or today I did XYZ number. Again, that's great. That's not taking away from anybody what you did. That is awesome. But the landscape is changing so quickly. So if you see any sort of case studies, student results, but they're not talking about the time frame, or more realistically showing the screenshot with the dates on it, that is the biggest telltale sign. Again, no hate to anybody, but using results from a year ago, things that worked a year ago will not work now. The landscape on TikTok Shop is changing too quickly. So the most important thing is please do this yourself. And this is something I look for myself when I'm investing in things, is are the testimonials, are the client results, are all these interviews, are they recent, right? Are they still happening to this day, or were all of them posted 5+ months ago? I'm not saying that if you have a lot of these programs that show old results, doesn't mean that it's terrible. No, but I do want to see proof of concept in the current date, the current time frame, right? Because that's a realistic indication of, are these things still working? Is their system still working? And are they actually still putting an effort into getting people results? So please pay attention to this anytime you're investing in anything. Again, I'm not even just talking about TikTok Shop as a whole, but this is something I personally look for myself when I am looking to invest into programs for whatever it may be. Now, the other thing that you need to look for is the teaching versus selling outcome, right? The problem is a lot of these programs out there, they focus very much on hitting a certain number, right? Oh, here's what you need to do to hit XYZ number per month. Instead, you should be looking for the actual system behind it, right? How are you going to get there? What is the actual process to get to that point? What's a realistic time frame? So if you see a lot of programs, again, just because somebody uses this in their marketing does not mean that it's bad, right? But if you see a lot of Rolexes, if you see a lot of Miami penthouses, you see a lot of XYZ things showing you flashy things, that's a dream state scenario, right? So unfortunately, that's the stuff that gets views, and that's why a lot of these programs, they rely on that stuff. But at the end of the day, that has no correlation to the context and quality of information that is being shown, right? So for example, that's why this channel gets less views than a lot of these other channels out there, but because I'm not flashing the Lambos, I'm sitting here in studio making you high quality videos that actually relate to TikTok Shop, right? So just be careful. Again, just because you see the style of marketing with the flashy stuff doesn't mean it's bad, but again, you want the depth of information to be there, and you want to focus on the actual system and processes, not exactly, oh, here's how to hit 10K plus per month on TikTok Shop or whatever claim. Be very careful with claims. A lot of times the programs that make specific claims are going to be the ones that fall flat because they have to make those claims to get a certain result and get people into the program. And that's just the sad reality. And so there's also a direct correlation between the quality of information posted for free in perspective to the paid information, right? So if you're not getting a lot out of the free information, 9 times out of 10, the paid information is going to be much better. So that's why, again, on this channel, I typically give away more than I probably should, to be honest. Realistically, this channel is teaching you what to do, not necessarily the specifics of it. That's what the paid information is for. But at the end of the day, you can still watch this channel and get a ton of valuable information, which is why I consistently hear from people, I love your YouTube videos and stuff like that, because I try to give as much as I possibly can away for free while not taking away from what took me 12 plus months to master and develop. So the quality of the free information is oftentimes a direct correlation to the quality of information that you are going to be paying for. Now, the reason that I'm telling you all this is not to scare you away from investing in education. It's actually the opposite, right? So clearly I'm doing everything I can to help show people why I personally am qualified to help people hit their goals on the TikTok shop, right? So again, I'm making this video because I wish someone had given me this framework before I wasted thousands of dollars on other types of courses, and many of my students who wasted thousands of dollars on other courses as well, right? So the right mentorship can absolutely accelerate your success if you choose wisely, right? So I've seen it work for my own students who went from struggling, investing thousands of dollars in the wrong programs to now hitting consistent 5-figure months, right? But what most people won't tell you is that the mentor matters more than the program itself, right? So you want someone who's currently doing what you want to do, not someone who did it years ago and now just sells courses about it. This is really important. So if you want to see what real current mentorship looks like for TikTok Shop specifically, the link is in the description. But again, more importantly, use the framework that I'm talking about and sharing here to evaluate any program. Again, whether that's TikTok Shop or not, right? So again, don't just take my word for it. Do your own research first. Find out everything that you can. Now, the other thing that you need to understand, and this is going to be really specific to TikTok Shop here because I see this all the time, is you have to understand what kind of program that you're getting into, what kind of group that you are joining, right? There's different pricing structures for reasons, right? So a lot of times what people don't understand. So if you see any of these Discord groups for, $50 a month, $100 a month, again, there's nothing wrong with those, but you have to just expect what kind of information and support you're going to be getting, right? So if you're a complete beginner or you're struggling to make over $1,000 a month, it is going to be really hard to get actual applicable information to your account and your specific goals because there's going to be a lot of people in those Discords. Again, no hate, but that's just a different business model. A lot of these Discord groups, the actual real business model on the back end is actually having an agency, right? So what they do is they'll get paid to give you retainers for certain brands, and they have deals in contracts with brands because they want you to post for that brand, and then therefore they make a ton of money on the back end by getting a percent of your commission that you earn, as well as taking a chunk of the pie of the retainer that you're getting for that brand. Again, that's perfectly fine, but just understand the business model behind what you are doing and what kind of group that you're getting into. Again, so those are more large scale, and they're really just trying to make money on the back end with brands and do all these retainer deals. Then you have other groups like myself, like my personal one, where it's a mentorship, right? You're getting one-on-one support, and that's why I charge higher prices, because you're getting a lot of my individual time. I'm still hopping on one-on-one calls with you. I'm still hopping on the weekly calls. I am still in the direct messages answering your questions. Any single question that you have will be answered by me personally, as well as Ashley, who has done over $150,000 basically in the span of 5-6+ months through TikTok Shop, right? So again, it's just understanding what kind of program that you're joining and having your expectations align with that. So there's nothing wrong with starting with a $20, $30 a month Discord or whatever that may be if you're looking to just get your feet wet. But realistically, it's really going to be hard to have actionable, repeatable information if you want a blueprint and a, hey, hold my hand to XYZ number of dollars per month. And that's what you get for some of these higher priced groups, right? Those are the people that I want to personally work with. I want to work with the people who want to do 5, 10, 15, 20K plus per month. If you only want to do $1,000 to $2,000 per month, that's awesome. That's great money that could potentially change your life. That's not the kind of people that I'm working with and wanting to work with in general. Another thing that I personally hate with a lot of programs is, oh, I will write your scripts for you, or I will pick your products for you. I personally am not a fan of that because the number one question, the only reason I've gotten to where I personally gotten to today is because on TikTok Shop, I've constantly asked myself the question of why. Why are all of these things happening? Why am I making the money that I'm making? Why is this working? Why is this not working? And every single day I was studying that, right? So that's something I really focus on in my mentorship specifically, is because I want you to understand why. I want you to be able to fish for yourself instead of relying on me to catch all the fish for you so you don't starve, right? So it's, why are all these things happening? Why are these products doing well? Why is this product not doing well? Why is this video doing well? Why is this video not doing well, right? It's only when you understand that are you actually going to make repeatable, potentially life-changing money if you implement it properly, right? Is understanding why. So although I will never say, hey, promote this product right here, right now. Hey, Kate, here's why I think this product is, here's why I think I should do this product based on your criteria that you're looking for in terms of stats. Here's the revenue. Here's why I think the trend is aligning aligning with what's working. Here's why I think I can personally promote this really well. And I'll give you feedback. Hey, that's a great point right there. But at the end of the day, again, I'm teaching you why all of these things are working, which is really how you make repeatable money over the long term. So just relying on people for product picks, scripts, all these quick little hacks is not going to be beneficial for you over the long term. Again, I personally, and I hope all my students in my program are in this for the long term, not just, hey, I want you to tell me what to do, how to do it, and I want to be completely brain dead. If you want to be completely brain dead, this is not for you. There might be some other stuff out there for you. Now, the other thing you want to pay attention to is what is the math behind the price that you're paying versus the results that you are driving, right? So you need to have a return on investment. So for example, many of my students in literally 1 month, again, this is not everybody, this is not an income plan, this is not a guarantee, but many of my students, this is the actual statistics, have literally 5x'd what they've made within 1 to 2 months. Now, not everybody does that, right? But the math behind what you are paying versus what you are getting is substantially higher. The goal is in the beginning, you pay XYZ number of dollars. And then if you put in the work and apply that, very quickly, you can do that, right? So in information and info and coaching specifically, the amount of money that you can make for what you're paying is quite literally ridiculous. If you compare this to college, right? For college, you're paying $100,000. You're going to be in crippling debt for the next 20 years, and then you're not even guaranteed anything. You're not even guaranteed, it's going to be good education. In fact, colleges will let you go for the stupidest degree in the world that doesn't even get you a job that will pay you a quarter of what you borrowed, right? So that's the interesting part about information and coaching is if you have the mathematics behind what you're doing, which again is my number one goal, I want you to make as much money as humanly possible. I want you to make 50 times what you paid me, which for many of my students quite literally have over 20x their return from what they were making in 5 months. Not only that, not even counting the future results over the next 1, 2, 3 years. So it's really insane the mathematics behind how, info and paying for things can substantially decrease your learning curve and also expedite your income if you apply it properly. So when you're investing in things, for example, if it's only $30, $40, can you make substantially more than that? Yes, but it's going to be harder to actually implement and execute, right? So the goal with some of these smaller groups, lower price points, if it makes you a couple $100, awesome. That's a pretty great return. But if you're trying to extrapolate your earnings across higher amounts of money, oftentimes paying for more support is going to get you to those next levels. So here's the thing. After spending myself personally tens of thousands of dollars on education over the years, and this is a true story, I can tell you that the system for TikTok Shop success is actually straightforward once you actually understand it, right? It took me 12 plus months of trial and error to figure out the exact data analysis, the exact product selection process, exactly the content systems that consistently generate 5-figure months every single month, right? So once I cracked the code, it became repeatable. I've been doing the same thing for 8+ months at this point. So that's why students like Ashley, she went from literally under 5K per month to making over 25K per month the last 3 months in a row by working smarter and not harder. And that's why Daylene hit 24K her first ever month on TikTok Shop, because she paid to avoid the mistakes that I, right? And so the reality is you can absolutely figure this out on your own. It'll just take you a lot longer and it costs you a lot more missed opportunities, right? So the right mentorship doesn't just teach you what to do, it shows you why it works, and most importantly, what you need to do it yourself so that you can adapt when things change, right? So it compresses literally years of learning in 2 months and sometimes even weeks, depending on the person, right? So just choose carefully, right? A lot of programs, unfortunately, and this is the sad truth, will take your money and leave you more confused than when you started. So if you do want to see how I help some of my students like Ashley, Daylene, Tyreek, all those other ones, skip the trial and error phase and go straight into consistent results, the link is in the description. So what we'll do is we'll get on a call, I'll show you exactly what this system looks like, how you implement it, and why it's actually repeatable, right? So anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video.